Hey guys, it's Diane. I want to tell you about a dream I had. If you have watched any of my videos, you know that I had a grandson that was killed by a drunk driver. He was 15. He was special to all of our family. I mean, he was truly special. He was sweet, he was kind, he was giving, he was funny, he was so funny. He was a big part of our family get-togethers. He just made everything fun. We laughed at him all the time. He was just a joy to be around. He was never in a bad mood. He was never hateful to you about anything. He was just that kid that everybody loved, and he was kind of like the special in our family, like everybody liked him the best, if that makes sense. I loved all my grandchildren, all of them, but I remember telling my daughter one day, you know, I love all of my grandkids the same, but there's just something about Kurt. I can't put my finger on it, but there's something about him. And she said, yeah, I know what you're talking about. I mean, you just couldn't really explain him to anyone. Anyway, when he passed, it was very hard, as you can imagine. I remember walking around my house, just walking, going, oh my God, 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 oh my God. I mean, I didn't know what to do or what to say other than, oh my God. It's just so unbelievable. Well, anyway, you can imagine the nights, laying down at night, trying to go to sleep, hoping that you don't wake up during the middle of the night. I've got my box of tissue with me, always. So, this particular night, I finally drifted off to sleep. And then all of a sudden, I don't even remember what time it was. I don't know if it was during the night or in the morning. I don't remember. It's been a while, but I'll never forget the dream. During the night, I'm like walking around in this fog, and I see Kurt, and he's just standing there smiling. He smiled all the time. He always had a smile on his face. And I screamed, Kurt, you're here! And I ran over to him. I turned him every which way but loose. I mean, I went around his body. I kissed his shoulders, his neck, his hair, his arms. I was just walking around him. Just around and around. And he was doing exactly what Kurt would have done. He had his head hanging down and he was smiling, just letting me have a field day, just examining his body, going over it. And I kept saying, where have you been? We've missed you so much. Where have you been? And I was so exhilarated to be able to see him. And then all of a sudden, I woke up. But it wasn't like I usually wake up. I had a smile on my face as I woke up. I had been with Kurt. I don't care what you say to me. Yeah, those can seem real. I don't care what anybody says. I was with Kurt. I know it for a fact. He never said a word. I know God let me visit him and let me touch him one more time. I know that it... Sorry. I know that it was real. And I occasionally thank God for that dream. Yeah. I can't even tell you what it did for me. What it did for me. I knew that he was okay. Wherever he was, I knew that he was okay. No, the pain didn't stop that day. No, it didn't. And I grieved for many, many years after that. I cried all the time for over 5 years. Finally, that slacked off, and I think it was at 6 years, I knew that I had to stop crying. My face was beginning to look like, well, it was very old looking because I cried all the time. My eyes looked awful. I mean, it really did a number on me, crying all those years. But anyway, if you've ever lost anyone and you've had one of these dreams, I really do think that God provides that for you to help you. I can't tell you how much it helped me. Just to touch him. All that day, I had a smile on my face. It's just like someone from the dead actually came back and you got to be with them again. It was that real. I'm telling you, it was real. It really happened. And I thank God for it. And I hope that if you're missing a loved one, that God will do the same thing for you, because it helps. That's all I got today. I just wanted to share that. And love's coming your way from me.